let's start from the front end. Front end is the common design. It's being used in all of the Gen 8 designs, so E series and P series, very comparable. We have the smart hard drives, Discovery service available. Discovery service, obviously, we have talked about this earlier this morning, that the LEDs are available to indicate when to pull the drive out, or when it's safe to take the drive out, when not to touch the drive. It's in operation. So that's the improved version of the hard drive. Then if you look at the cabling, that's what I talked about earlier. Cabling is very, it's very simple, very clean, easy to put in and out. And so this is a toolless design, right? Nope, this one is not needed. It's not attached. Okay. It's very simple. It's almost toolless. You can just pop those two thumb screws, and you can take it out. We talked about the CPUs this morning. We have the term we are using is a smart socket. Most of you are familiar with the bent pin issue in the field. Lots of issues. Hopefully this time, with this new design, there won't be any more failures with the bent pin. We talked about earlier this morning the white sockets that has to dim sockets that has to be populated first. And fans they're plugged into the system, but it's hot pluggable that you can pull in and out, but the connector is on the board. And this is a almost common fan that is being used in most of the systems.
PCIe slot we have this one is for the CPU 1 PCIe slot. This one is for CPU 2 PCIe slot. This one is for source bridge PCIe slot. It also can use E12i, E12OI embedded software RAID. We can support RAID 0, 1, and 10. And the option for the cache module, we can support the 5. If we choose the B332i, we can use the LSI SAS RAID, can support the RAID function. So the PCI slot is many options can upgrade. In the real side, we can see the you can see the two command slot power supply, 1 UID and 4 embedded unique power villa 1 gig, and the serial port VGA, 2 USB or 1 IO management port, and the other one is the 2 USB. You can easily sample assembly the riser.
And power supply.
The power supply is very easy, can plug in, plug out. The hard drive he have support a smartphone beta and the 4 large phone beta.
So as you can see, this is a 1U chassis. With the same one, we can transition from 360 to DL360e. Before I move forward, I do want to mention here, there's a hood label that has all the information that you will need. We have tried to consolidate and try to standardize, so all servers have at least similar information on the hood label.